Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Moonguide is probably one of the most innovative products I've reviewed this year. It's designed to simplify your life, offering a unique blend of features that cater to both beginners and seasoned users. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Moonguide stand out, exploring its key functionalities and assessing its overall value proposition. Get ready to discover if Moonguide is the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Telestrations' original 8-player family board game. Have you played the telephone game? Now imagine it with drawings. This is Telestrations, where you sketch what you see and guess what you saw. This award-winning game is perfect for any gathering. It's a fantastic icebreaker that guarantees laughter and fun for everyone involved. Telestrations is ideal for families, small parties, or friends. It's a guaranteed source of laughter for all ages, making game night even better. Don't worry if you're not an artist. Stick figures and a sense of humor are all you need to play. The fun is in the hilarious results. The game includes everything you need to play: 8 erasable sketchbooks, dry erase markers, a timer, and more. It's ready for immediate fun. What we like. This award-winning party game is perfect for any gathering. It's easy to learn and fun for all ages, so everyone can join in. If you're looking for a hilarious icebreaker or a way to spice up family game night, you should consider this. What people say. The Moonguide is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works perfectly. Number 4. VGAzer Levitating Moon Lamp, White Moon. Introducing the VGAzer Levitating Moon Lamp. This lamp uses the latest levitation technology, allowing it to float and spin effortlessly in the air. It's a unique and captivating piece for any space. This moon lamp utilizes wireless charging, so it charges even while it's levitating. The base also features touch controls to manage the LED lights within the moon and the base. Enjoy a spectrum of 16 colors and 20 different light modes, all controlled by a remote. The lamp creates a mesmerizing display while it rotates, adding a touch of wonder to any room. The lamp is 3D printed to accurately mimic the moon's surface. When powered on, the lamp slowly rotates, giving you a stunning view of the moon's details. You can feel the charm of the moon. This levitating moon lamp is an ideal gift for friends and family. Perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion, it adds a unique and enchanting atmosphere to any home or office. It is beyond your expectations. What we like. This lamp uses magnetic levitation to float and spin in mid-air, creating a unique visual experience. It also features wireless charging and 16 different color options. If you want a conversation starter or a cool decorative piece for your home, you should consider this. What people say. The Moonguide is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are easy to use and intuitive. Number 3. LOGROTATE 4.8-inch Moon Lamp. This moon lamp is made with 3D printing technology, giving it a realistic full moon shape. The surface is incredibly close to the actual lunar moon. It's a charming and unique night light. With 16 different colors, this lamp can flash, fade, or strobe. It's perfect for a nursery or bedroom. You can also adjust the brightness to create a comfortable sleeping environment for your children. Use the remote to change the color and brightness. There's also a timer function, allowing you to set it for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. It's ideal for creating a romantic atmosphere. This moon lamp has a built-in rechargeable battery, so there are no messy wires. You can charge it using any USB device, like a computer or power bank. It's easy to move around. This is a great decoration for bedrooms, courtyards, or parties. It's a romantic and mysterious gift for friends and family on special occasions like birthdays and holidays. It is a perfect gift. What we like. This moon lamp features a realistic 3D printed design and offers both remote and touch controls for easy use. The built-in rechargeable battery makes it portable and convenient. If you are looking for a unique night light or a gift for a loved one, you should consider this. What people say. Dimmable, multiple colors and functions, very lightweight, looks really nice in complete darkness. The colors are beautiful and can be changed based on your mood. The brightness is easy to change and the lamp will stay lit up for a short time after being unplugged. The plastic is thick and durable. Fun lights. Love that it's not just one color. The remote is so handy. It's a great size for nightlight, play or decor. It takes the abuse of toddlers so it so far seems sturdy, but when they play with it they are gentle. Number 2. Moon Calendar for Gardeners, Lunar Gardening Guide. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of gardening with the moon? This calendar helps you understand how lunar phases affect your garden. It's perfect for anyone looking to connect with nature. Whether you have a small balcony garden or a large farm, this guide is for you. It provides insights applicable to any gardening space. It's designed to be accessible and easy to follow. This calendar is designed with the beginner gardener in mind. It breaks down complex concepts into simple steps. You'll find it easy to understand and implement. By gardening in harmony with the lunar cycles, you can achieve higher yields. This method helps you optimize your planting, pruning, and harvesting times. You'll see a noticeable difference. This calendar helps you do less work and save money on fertilizer. It guides you on when to best perform gardening tasks. It's a smart and efficient approach. Reconnect with nature and reap the benefits of a holistic garden. This calendar encourages a deeper connection with the natural world. It's a rewarding experience. What we like. This guide teaches you how to garden in harmony with the moon's phases. It's easy to follow, even for beginners, and can help you achieve higher yields. If you are a beginner gardener looking to improve your harvest, you should consider this. What people say. The Moonguide is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly and intuitive. Number 1. Moonguide 2025, Hunting Calendar for Mature Bucks. Are you ready to elevate your hunting game? This tool helps you plan your hunts effectively. It ensures you're using the right gear at the right time. Discover the key dates for mature bucks. This calendar highlights the red moon dates, maximizing your chances of success. It's designed to help you make the most of your hunting season. This is the essential tool for any serious hunter. It provides the insights you need to make informed decisions. Use it to increase your odds of a successful hunt. The product helps you pinpoint the optimal times for hunting. It focuses on daylight hours, increasing your chances of spotting a mature buck. This ensures you're in the right place at the right time. It simplifies the planning process for your hunting trips. Whether you're scouting or scheduling, this tool provides the necessary information. This makes it easier to organize your hunts. Focus your efforts on the red moon dates for the best results. This strategy has proven successful over many years. This will significantly improve your hunting outcomes. With over 2 decades of proven success, you can trust this product. It's a reliable tool for hunters of all levels. It has a track record of helping hunters achieve their goals. What we like. This tool helps you plan your hunting trips by revealing the best days and times to hunt. It focuses on maximizing your chances of seeing mature bucks during daylight. If you are a hunter looking to increase your success, you should consider this. What people say. Spot on moon chart. I used to get these years ago and decided to get on again this year. Accurate information. This is the 4th year I've ordered this for my husband. He thinks it saves time because he knows when to hunt and when to stay home. This calendar is very accurate. Hunt by it and watch your success improve. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.